Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today let me show you how to set up direct deposit on Simple in 2025. So let's just get straight into the video. The first step is going to be to log into your Simple account using your email address and password, and you want to make sure that you're using the correct login credentials to access your account. So once you're logged into your account, step 2 is going to be to click on the account button that's in the top right corner of the page. Once that's clicked, you're going to select direct deposit from the drop down menu. This option is usually listed under the account settings, or it could be under payment method section. So go on the account settings or payment method section, and then you're going to select direct deposit. Next, you're going to enter your employer's information, including their name and their address. Now, this information is required to set up direct deposit, so go ahead and enter that. And then you're going to enter your direct deposit information, including your account number and routing number. So make sure to enter the correct information just to avoid any errors. Once that's done, you're going to confirm the direct deposit by reviewing the details and clicking confirm. So make sure to review the direct deposit details carefully, because that's going to help you to avoid any errors. That's pretty much it on how to set up direct deposit on Simple in 2025. I hope you guys liked the video. Hope you found the information useful enough. If you did, like the video, comment down below, let me know what you thought. Share the video with your friends and subscribe to the channel if you haven't done so already. And I'll see you guys in the next